Morning bird nerds, Thursday morning here, 30th of March, Wurundjeri country, unceded lands of the Wurundjeri people, makes it the northwestern suburbs of Melbourne in Australia. First seen and heard, pretty normal at the moment, Australian magpie. But can you hear that chattering? That's rainbow lorikeets. They were my first seen. Hey, I've been talking about the Dawn Chorus, you probably know about it. Hello Stan. In Kangaroo Island, you always contribute. You can now upload audio and video files at thebirdemergency.com/Dawn Chorus. Yeah, you can. So if you'd like to be involved, share your Dawn Chorus, it's easy now. See ya.